So guys, a new video and many new pictures of Yağmur Yüksel and Baris Baktas have been shared on social media. It is a very beautiful video of Yağmur and Baris in date. Yağmur was wearing beautiful black glasses. She was looking so cute and beautiful. Yağmur and Baris both were looking so much cute. They were doing makeup in the makeup room for the preparation of the series episode. So Yağmur Yüksel and Baris Baktas beautiful video has been shared on social media that is liked and admired by the fans a lot, and it has got up a lot of attention on social media.